I'm here today with Andrew Meehan of Harrogate Family Law, who's going to explain to us what a prenup is and why you should be having one. Andrew, what is a prenup?
Well, a prenup's essentially a written agreement between two people who intend to marry, which sets out what the financial settlement will be if they divorce. So it can deal with such things as the division of the assets, who's going to own the matrimonial home, and also what level of maintenance, if any, should be paid.
Are they now legally binding?
Almost, but not quite. Following a recent change in the law, a prenup will be upheld unless it's going to be unfair to do so.
So in what circumstances will a prenup not be upheld by the courts?
Well, it all depends on the particular case. Common reasons are likely to be if one party's been put under too much pressure to enter into it and hasn't freely agreed to it. Another example might be if upholding the terms of the prenup will result in financial hardship to one of the people, or alternatively, if it doesn't make adequate provision for any children of the marriage, then it won't be upheld there either.
So why should somebody have a prenup then?
Well, the idea behind the prenup is that it should hopefully avoid a dispute about what the divorce settlement should be, which should therefore save you both time and cost. Even if the prenup isn't upheld by the court, it should still narrow the scope of the dispute and therefore again save both time and cost.
In what situations do you get people asking for prenups?
They tend to fall into three camps, we find. Firstly, we get people who've been married and divorced before who are wanting to have them. Secondly, we often get people coming in who have either inherited money before the marriage or who are coming into the marriage with significant business interests. And the third situation tends to be when people expect to inherit money during the marriage and they're wanting to protect that.
What if somebody wants a prenup but they're already married?
Well, married couples can simply have a postnup, which has exactly the same status in law as a prenup.